served as formerly as members of parliament, cabinet secretaries.
Mwancho morigereria o KISII FM digital na kwariganirie na inda semesite Amang'Ana Amayia sinchira yubwikiranu ense yamwe yabono maragoba iritirane nguru kwa purity Nyangweso ritangani ngonyorengana bagotonyora gwetire mitandao yonse pe social media KISII FM 94.1 igatiri na kwariganirie maragoba bono mwancho morigereria ngamo noroboti kuru county ya KISII abasomora ibense ya Kenya muskebile muruto ritukura rero achakia etaro ya sorgongorwa gusi abasago chakia mirobiro ao ya magenderero nabo igo roboti rumora ibo mubazimelo mo John Kenya Coalition umuskirela udinga ojibono ugikeirie mirobiro yago tababuna umukonyi bo muraibense ya Kenya muskiriga digashagwa abegete yigo chagoturbania amandamano na koneke chiburaburu asa mandamano yobo mobo obigo roboti rwa abarai inse yobo mubazimelo mo John Kenya Coalition baruba bageto biara eritukura Jumatatu wiki yiga asokorobekana abasiri tukarero bakiwa bose gwekigambiro mwancho murigereria na kwariganirie yanyora yomona yanda mange asenjira yobwikiranu Muraibense ya Kenya umuskebile muruto nigori tukorarero achakia taro ya matuka tatu asorogongo rwa South Nyanza abasa chakira itare yume ya county ya KISII kurata emirobiro ao ya magenderero nabago chakia amagenderero ao umuskeruto ritangane ni gaikirana asiskuru ya megeri yobundi ya KISII National Polytechnic asawe gaina kia abuna na chigo chakia umurobiro bokona na chi computer go chia asiskuru yo irinde go sira amegeri yobundi nene mono aria digital nigo boigo umuskeruto atarira umurobiro bwa machi chisemo cha kigati ime ye county ya KISII aya ni gati ari agendererwa chisemo icho chinga kiumuraibense atarira enseme hiyo
county yetu ya KISII. Wapi makofi jameni, kwa sababu mti huu utakuwa ni kumbukumbu ya hili hasa katika county ya KISII. Makofi jameni, makofi tena. Asante, ameweza kufungua rasmi na tutaweza kuendelea sasa na utumizi wa.
Lakini leo mimi nashukuru Mungu tumekuja hapa kufungua hii mradi. Mimi nataka niwaambie hivi, ili tuweze kufikisha maji kwa manyumba yenu, watu wa KFW wanatupatia shilingi milioni 300 ingine ya kupeleka nyumba, ya kupeleka maji manyumbani kwenu. Na mimi nataka niwatangazie hivi, sawa sawa, kwa sababu wale ndugu zetu wanaungana na sisi katika hii mradi. Mimi nawatangazia serikali yenu ya Kenya tutaongeza milioni ingine 200 iwe milioni 500 ndio tuweze kufikisha maji kwa manyumba zaidi. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie hawa viongozi wote waliochaguliwa, gavana wenu hapa, seneta wenu hapa, mbunge wenu hapa, ma-MCA wote, sisi wote tutaungana tuweze kufanya kazi kwa pamoja. Na kabla ya Disemba mwaka huu nitarudi hapa KISII ili tuweze kuanzisha hiyo mradi. Mheshimiwa Rais, ulikuja hapa ukatupa ahadi, na hizo ahadi ninazifuatilia, na mumeona nimemleta rais akuje atusaidie hapa.
Umurai bobo mubazimio la One Kenya Coalition umuskero ila Odinga nigasingirire gotababuna barabubuna bomo bazimio nigo baragendererie okurubekana kwabo bunirubiri abwasatebire buna mbari guche gotegerera Amang'Ana ya barai bechideni ababire bagotababuna nabonerete okora chinkwana no murai wensi ya Kenya umuske William Ruto irinde bekero kwigwana gakwigirira engane iyo umuskero ila nigatababuna nigo barigetie konyore kene iguru y'ubung'eniriro bwagoteba bwene geti gwasobokero bonene bo mwakoeta nego tebari goche gotene n'emirobiro yabo weke kene kyabekirwe teneni chingakie chebo igo muskero ila nigagikiria emirobiro yagoteba mokonyi bo murai wensi ya Kenya muskeri gadegashagwa abwate yogocha goturbania amandamano abo na kuirira abantangirwe yemo goitwa erinde bache kubekirwa amamocho barabuno bomo bwazimio la One Kenya Coalition muskero ila nigasingirwa tababuna barabuna abantu bakonekyo murembe nambari goche koyantirana chiburaburu chinde chonse ya samandamano abo.
We have a statement which I'm going to read. Fellow Kenyans, several important developments have taken place since we last addressed the nation 2 days ago. First, a section of the clergy has called on Azimio la Umoja to call off protests and instead engage in talks with Mr. William Ruto. Our answer to the clergy is in the Gospel of John chapter 8, verse 32, which says, and I quote, "Then you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free," unquote. All that Azimio is looking for with regard to electoral justice is the truth. The truth includes the opening of the servers for a forensic audit of the election results, tangible actions by the regime to lower the cost of living, restoring the subsidies on fuel, electricity, education and food, stopping the unilateral reconstitution of the IEBC, reinstating the 4 IEBC commissioners, and ending the tribalization of the public service appointments and cancelling the appointments of 51 CAS or CASs that has no constitutional basis. We are aware that the regime is moving ahead to privatize state parastatals without the authority of parliament. We call on our members of parliament to stand firmly against this illegality, to give away crucial national assets without public oversight.
Abarai bari babegeto byarari tukora Jumatatu chinga kyobo mu Azimio la One Kenya Coalition barenge kurobekana Amayia County ya Nairobi amone chinsemo chinde mensi ya Kenya nego litukora rero baiki wabose beke gambiro na kwigurirwa amamocho nonya nabo omowakili Danstan Umari uyore gati abawakili 10 bari bakwegirira abaraya bwense bo mu Azimio la One Kenya Coalition negateberubuna amamocho ayiba igurirwe egati yabo okurobekana maminje erichiko nabego gosaria enebo yabananchi abwasi babire bakwigurwa amamocho yo gwatekerore kigari omusubatyo yomo ekyo egotebekana kiregie chishilingi chetaniti milioni yemo nigo omowakili Danstan Umari ateberubuna amamocho yitabwati oborito bonde bonsi abwasi ateberubuna nigo barachiko gendera kwigirira obateja babo.
Mashtaka hata bado hakuna statement ya yule mshahidi, yule polisi alikamatana, na kila mtu alikuwa akikamatwa peke yake akiwa bado mkutano haujaanza. Kwa hivyo mashtaka ambayo yamefikishwa mbele ni mashtaka ambayo sioni yakienda mbali, na niko nashangaa sana kama DPP mwenyewe ameangalia hizo file kabla kutuleta hapa kotini.
Hatujapewa ule ushahidi ama ile affidavit ya kupinga ule ushahidi, lakini nilivyosema kwamba hawatatoroka, tutawatetea. Kama huyu Joyce Nyambura basi atakuja pale na atakaa kizimbani tu aweze kuelezea yaliyojiri, hivi kwamba watu 8 waliweza kuvunja kioo cha gari moja kivipi. Sijui moja alishika pande huu, mwingine akapiga ngumi hapa, mwingine akabeba Kwa hivyo hayo ni maswali ambayo tutayajadili, lakini hayawi huwa wameletwa kotini.
Nabanto emeronge 5 bari bachoretwe gochikoba aba cabinet administrative secretaries gose CAS nigori tukorarero batianigwa ase nyombene ne obagambia State House gocha kemeremo ya bari murioka kagukwana mega yabo 50 gotianigwa ritukorarero murabwese ya Kenya Moske William Ruto nigababorire gochigokora emeremo yabo no bwegenwa na sogo sika richi koriense ya Kenya.
I know many of you participated in leadership in various aspects, in various levels. I know many of you have come from a broad array of expertise, knowledge, and areas of interest. In our midst here today, we've had people who have served as MCAs, others who have served as bloggers, others who have served as formerly as members of parliament, cabinet secretaries. Some of you have served as governors. But today you have joined my team to work for the people of Kenya in the position of administrative secretaries. You have taken oath this morning before me and before this solemn gathering. You did not make a statement. You took oath. And I expect you to take the oath you have taken this morning with the seriousness it deserves, with the seriousness any solemn oath deserves. You have undertaken on your own volition to serve with honor and dignity.
na rayo na kwareganiria senchira yobwekerano ense yamwe yabono maragobo mwancho murigereria ngoraniri ngambya mona singenjo wachora kuyabwatia goiko mwerio iriterane nguru kwa Purity Nyangweso.